Kimchi Jjigae.
Hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Jen, if you haven't been here before, and today we're gonna make some soup, which is my favorite. So we're gonna make Kimchi Jjigae. I don't know if I said that right, but it's this Korean tofu soup that's like spicy and stuff, so I really like it. And it's pretty easy. You just need some kimchi. I don't have so much left, so we're gonna make as much soup as we can with this much. I thought I had more, but I don't. And then some tofu, of course. I'm gonna use soft tofu. Then tuna. This is tuna in kimchi sauce. My friend actually told me he's Belgian, but for some reason he can read Korean, which is crazy and super cool. So thank you, Ignas, for telling me this. He actually said that this says that it's used for kimchi jjigae. Jjigae? I don't know how to say it. Please don't hurt me if I said it wrong. Anyways, you can also use pork belly if you want, but I don't really like eating meat so much, so I'm just gonna use this one. And I like the flavor that it gives. It's like a funky, fishy flavor that's good with this. And then I have some leftover green onion that I'm gonna use. Some onion, garlic, and some chili flakes, which is gochugaru. And then hot water, oil, salt, that sort of stuff. So before we get started, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. I'm only gonna use half an onion because I don't have so much kimchi, so I won't be able to make that much soup. And I want it to taste more kimchi-y than onion-y, even though I love onion.
You want to cut the onion into thin strips.
So now onto the stove. You turn the heat on and you put some oil, probably like a tablespoon. Wait for it to heat up. It's warmish, so we're gonna add in the tuna. This is what it looks like. It smells kind of funky.
Now just mix it up and then add the onions and stir it up. Cook it until it's nice and soft. Then the green onions and some garlic. So I'm only showing 2 cloves, but I actually use 6 cloves. Then I put some water in the tuna can to get all the juices. Then for the kimchi. So we're going to fry the kimchi first and then add the juices in later.
The kimchi that I used, it's pretty old kimchi. So it smells quite sour. I think it's been in my fridge for like, I don't know, over a month. But it makes the best soup. Because the ones that are too sweet haven't been fermented long enough, and then you really want that like sour, funky flavor when you're making this soup. Then I'm gonna use all of the kimchi and then all of the juice too, because that's what's gonna help flavor the soup. Okay, back to the recipe.
The juices go in.
And I put some water in, get all of that juice, and pour it in.
Then mix it up and add boiling water until it covers the kimchi.
You bring it up to a boil. Some salt. I bought this one from the Korean market. It's a soft one. So you just like drain it first. Like this. I just cut it into cubes. Maybe not cubes, rectangles. Just like this.
Yay!
And now we're gonna put it in the soup and we'll be done. Yay! So now just give it a stir so the tofu can go to the bottom. So now I'm just gonna let it boil for, I'm not gonna eat it for another like 30-40 minutes, so I guess for that long, but you can just let it boil for like 15 minutes and it'll be good. A few minutes before it's done, I'm just gonna add in the chili flakes. So yeah, yay, super easy. Soup. It's been boiling, so I'm just gonna taste it. This is so good. I love this soup. Okay, I think it's done. I'm gonna take it off the heat. It's actually pretty spicy already. I think because the kimchi sauce is spicy, and then my kimchi is kind of spicy. So yeah, I'm now gonna add the chili flakes. but if you like it super spicy, you should add some. This is the rice that I use. It's this 7-grain mixed rice that I get at the Korean grocery store. It's this one. This is my favorite. I've been eating it for, I don't know, like 5 years now. I actually, I like this rice so much that like when I was in Sweden, I was really sad I couldn't get it there. So I would put the rice in my suitcase and then bring it back to Sweden. So at one point I brought like 24 pounds of rice with me because I had 6 packages of 4 pounds each. So that's how much I like this rice. And you guys should try it if you have a Korean supermarket near you. It's also really healthy and has a lot of fiber. There's 8 grams of fiber per 45 grams, which I think is like a quarter cup. Lots of fiber, good for you. So now we're just gonna get some soup, just like this. So here I have my rice, my soup, some green onions, and then done. I'm so excited. I love this soup. Okay. It's so good. And I like that I used the really sour one because you can taste like the funkiness in it. So yeah, you just have some tofu, some rice. So tasty. And then it's usually nice to have kimchi on the side too, but I don't have enough, so can't do that. But yeah, this is it. Super easy, super quick, super tasty. Yeah, so I hope you guys try out this recipe. You can also cut the kimchi into smaller pieces if you don't want to like chew one big piece of kimchi. But I'm very lazy, so I just like to throw it into the pot. Oh, spicy. Also hot. I always do this thing where I like burn myself drinking hot soup. Be careful while drinking soup. Don't burn the tongue. I hope you guys try this recipe out. It's really easy for like a weeknight dinner or even lunch, because you can just like put it on the stove and then come back to it later. Try it out. Like the video down below and subscribe to my channel. I'll post more soup videos, more, I don't know, random cooking things. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I'm gonna enjoy my soup now. Oh, hi.